All right, hit it.
Yellow. What? My Uncle Phil? But he's vegan. How? Protein deficiency? Oh my God.
This just in. Phil Anderson, a well-known and respected businessman residing in Blanchard, Oklahoma, was found dead today in his Eastern Heights home from an apparent lack of protein. Anderson was the founder of the Blanchard Vegan Meetup Group and often claimed he was getting enough protein. Veganism takes yet another life. Now to the weather.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, he was just sleeping very soundly? Yeah, thanks.
Don't believe the myth. You get plenty of protein from plants.
Oh my God, it's full of protein.
Comment, like, and subscribe.